In this video, I will show you how to change your communication settings on Roblox. So let's say you want to disable direct chats or just want to change your communication settings, then I'm going to show you how you can do that in Roblox. So let's go over to our Roblox app in here, click on the More tab at the bottom right, and from here you need to scroll down all the way, and then you need to click on Settings. From Settings, go and click on Privacy and Content Maturity. Let's click on this, and then click on Communication, and in here you need to click on Experience Chat. And then in here, you can click on no one if you want to put the chat to no one. So that won't be public anymore then. And if you want to put direct chat to no one as well, this will mean that you cannot have one-on-one chats with people. So just go ahead and put this to no one if you want to change it, for example. And you can also change your party settings. You can also put this to no one. Just go ahead and click on no one for party. Then you cannot participate in a one-on-one party, or you can just disable group parties as well. So just go ahead and select everything that you want to your preferences. You can also change the camera input in here. So just go ahead and change everything to the way you like it. So that is how you can change the communication settings on Roblox. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.